Hello guys, welcome back to VL Extras, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest news from the world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we are going to cover two amazing new releases that will blow your mind: Microsoft Copilot and 3D Gaussian Splatting. These are two groundbreaking technologies that will change the way you interact with your computer and the world around you. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about Microsoft Copilot, a new AI integration across Windows 11, Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365. This is not just another assistant that can answer your questions or set reminders for you. This is a smart companion that can help you with creative tasks like designing in Paint using DALL-E 3, a powerful generative model that can create images from text. For example, you can type "a cat wearing a hat" and Copilot will generate a realistic image of a cat wearing a hat in Paint. You can then edit the image as you like, or ask Copilot to generate more variations. Copilot can also help you with browsing in Edge by suggesting relevant websites, videos, or articles based on your interests and preferences. You can also ask Copilot to summarize a long article for you, or translate it into another language. Copilot is not only smart, but also friendly and fun. It can tell you jokes, play games with you, or sing songs for you. Copilot is like having a personal assistant, a friend, and an artist all in one. But that's not all. Microsoft Copilot also works seamlessly with Microsoft 365, the suite of productivity tools that millions of people use every day. Copilot can help you with writing documents in Word, creating presentations in PowerPoint, or analyzing data in Excel. It can suggest content, format, style, and grammar for your documents, based on your goals and audience. It can also generate charts, graphs, tables, and diagrams for your presentations, based on your data and message. It can even help you with coding in Visual Studio Code by suggesting code snippets, debugging errors, or testing your programs. Copilot is like having a professional writer, a designer, and a programmer all in one. Microsoft Copilot is a game changer for user experience and productivity. It makes your computer more intelligent, more helpful, and more fun. It's like having a superpower that can boost your creativity and efficiency. Microsoft Copilot is available now for Windows 11 users who sign up for the beta program. You can also try it out on the web. Now let's move on to the second amazing release, 3D Gaussian Splatting. This is a new technique that can turn any photo into a realistic 3D scene. Imagine being able to take any picture from your phone or camera and transform it into a fully immersive virtual world that you can explore from any angle. That's what 3D Gaussian Splatting can do for you. 3D Gaussian Splatting is based on a novel neural network architecture that can estimate the depth and surface normals of each pixel in the image. Depth is how far away an object is from the camera, and surface normals are the directions that the surfaces of the objects are facing. These two information are crucial for creating a 3D representation of the scene. The neural network takes an input image and outputs a depth map and a normal map for each pixel. But how do we turn these maps into a 3D scene? That's where the magic of Gaussian splatting comes in. Gaussian splatting is a technique that projects each pixel onto a 3D plane using Gaussian kernels. A Gaussian kernel is a mathematical function that creates a smooth blob around a point. By using different sizes and orientations of Gaussian kernels for each pixel, we can create a smooth surface that approximates the shape of the objects in the scene. The result is a stunning reconstruction of the original scene that can be viewed from any angle with realistic lighting and shadows. You can see the details of the objects, such as their textures, colors, and shapes. You can also interact with the scene by moving around, zooming in or out, or changing the lighting conditions.
Audio Jungle.